here only because you were aiding others.
The original Watchers, too, were selfish. They wanted the knowledge for its own sake, not as a tool to be used. And that attitude triggered the virus.
Uh-oh, the beacon's getting ready to guide us someplace. But where?
Seems to me there's only one way to find out.
Here, take some motion sickness pills.
A tomato? You brought one with you?
NR 400. Anestora. It's an old Greek word that means she who sends gifts from the earth. It was Mr. Roji's idea to look it up, and that was part of what he found inside of the genetic code.
There were words?
Yeah, I bet that your mom was the one who embedded them in there for you.
We'll have to grow some more.
Right.